Welcome children, welcome you all to today's spoken English video. This is lesson 122. Happy to welcome you all to today's video. In this video we are going to learn some prepositions, okay? Before that we are entering into the homophones of the day. Today's homophones are dual, D-U-A-L dual and D-U-E-L dual. They are different in their spellings and meaning, okay? D-U-A-L dual and D-U-E-L also dual, okay? Dual means having two parts, okay? And D-U-E-L dual is a fight or competition between two people, which means one to one, okay? Let me explain what is dual and dual. D-U-A-L dual means consisting of two elements, parts or components, okay? And dual dual is an adjective. It is mostly used nowadays to describe devices, okay? Dual sims, okay? And dual dual is an arranged combat. Combat means fight between two individuals or a contest between two parties, okay? And dual is a noun. Dual is mostly used nowadays to describe a verbal contest, okay? For the verbal contest, we are using the word dual. It's a noun, okay? Okay, children, let us enter to today's topic. Today we are going to learn prepositions. The first one is above. Okay, preposition is above. Above means at or a higher place or position than someone or something. Higher position than someone or higher position than something. Example, the plane flew above the clouds, okay? The next one is after. After is a preposition which means one follows the other. One follows the other is known as after, okay? Example, he has come after me. The cat is going after a little boy. Isn't it? Okay. So after means one follows the other is called after. He has come after me. Okay. The next one is by. By means near or at the side of. Okay. Near or at the side of is known as by. By is a preposition. Okay. Preposition denotes the place where the things are. Okay. Example, Ram is sitting by Ramesh. Okay. Ram is sitting by Ramesh. Okay, children, let us enter to the next one. The next preposition for you is beneath. Beneath means under something. Beneath means under something. In this picture, the paper is placed beneath a book. Okay. A paper is placed beneath a book. Okay. So beneath means under something. Okay. And the next one for you is next to or beside. Okay. Next to or beside means at the side of someone or something is next to or beside. Example, can I sit next to you? You can ask. If you want to sit next to someone, you can ask the question, can I sit next to you? Or can I sit at the side of you? Okay. Or beside you. Okay, children, here the next one. Near. Near means a short distance from a place or a person. Okay. A short distance, very short distance from a place or a person. Okay. For example, the hotel is built near the sea. If you look at the picture, you can get the clearance. The hotel is built near the sea. The distance is very short. Okay. The next preposition for you is between. Between means something present in the middle of two objects. In this picture, a hut is located between two trees. Okay. Something present in the middle of two objects is called between. Okay. There is an outhouse between the two trees. Okay. There is an outhouse between the two trees. Okay. Okay, children, hope you have understood. Let me say what is a preposition once again. Preposition means denoting a place. Okay, mentioning a place of a thing. Okay, thank you children, be safe.